Hello everyone and welcome back to ImTechnos. In today's video, we are going to break down different artificial intelligence terms like machine learning, deep learning, LLMs, and many more in a simple and easy to understand way. Let's start at the top. Artificial intelligence or AI simply means teaching computers to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. In other words, it's a broad field of creating systems that act smart by mimicking human thinking and behavior. For example, Google Maps suggesting the fastest route. One of the most common ways to build AI is through something called machine learning. Instead of programming every single rule, we simply give the computer lots of examples and it learns patterns on its own. Think of it like how kids learn. If you show them many pictures of cats and dogs, eventually they figure out which is which. In the same way, if we give a computer thousands of cat and dog photos, it can learn to tell them apart. That's machine learning, and it's actually a subset of AI. A real world example is Netflix. It learns what you like to watch and then recommends shows and movies you'll probably enjoy. Though machine learning is a subset of AI, it's not the only one. There are other important branches too, like NLP, which is natural language processing. This is AI working with human language like reading, writing, and translating. A great example is Gmail Smart Compose, which suggests words while you type an email. Another branch is computer vision, where AI understands images and videos. Self-driving cars use this to detect pedestrians, traffic lights, and road signs, helping them drive safely. Then there is speech AI, which includes text to speech. This is where AI reads text out loud in a natural sounding voice. For example, when Alexa or Siri tells you the weather forecast, that's speech AI. And finally, motion AI, AI that understands and even generates human movement. You have probably seen robots in factories using to grab, move, and assemble parts. That's motion AI at work. Then comes deep learning. It's a subset of ML that uses neural networks with many layers to learn from huge amounts of data. This is what powers things like Face ID on your phone, instantly recognizing your face from millions of tiny parts. Up until now, most AI models were built for one thing: text, images, or speech. But now we have moved to something much bigger called foundation models. These are like giant AI engines trained on massive amounts of data that can handle multiple tasks instead of just one. From these foundation models, we get different types. Take LLMs or large language models. These are the foundation models built for text. They power chatbots, content generators, translators, and even coding assistants like GitHub Copilot. Then we have vision models. These focus on images and videos. They can generate new pictures with tools like Midjourney, create product mockups in seconds, or even make deep fakes. Next are audio models. These handle sound. They are behind text to speech systems like meeting transcription tools and even voice cloning. Yes, they can copy a celebrity's voice. And finally, multimodal models, the most powerful ones. They combine text, images, and audio all together. Imagine uploading a picture, asking a question about it, and getting a voice response back. That's what multimodal AI can do, like the latest ChatGPT with vision and voice. So each type of model unlocks a whole set of generative AI applications from text and images to voices and mixed media experiences. That's it for today. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and happy learning.